Hello, everyone. Olivier and myself are honored to present SmartFlow's airport-wide passenger flow monitoring solution for efficient crowd management. Olivier Hervieu is SmartFlow's CTO.
And Marie Faucon is our marketing manager.
How can I enforce physical distancing all over my airport?
And how long does it take for passenger to go from security to gate A?
What is the service quality provided by airline X, for example?
Is my retail offer adapted to the needs of my passenger?
How can I measure the impact of a gate allocation on the passenger traffic inside the terminal? SmartFlows answers all these questions. SmartFlows is a system that transforms raw undervalued data, such as Wi-Fi, beacon, airport maps, flight schedule, retail transactions, etc., into actionable data, in insights that operators will use to make the best decisions for their airports. SmartFlows has been in business for the past 10 years. Its expertise focuses on transit places like airport and train stations. The software is in use in various airports of the world under long-term contracts, among which Hong Kong International Airport, Nice Airport, Geneva Airport, Montreal, Riyadh Airport, etc. Now, Olivier, how does it work?
The software suite collects radio signals from Wi-Fi mainly, but it can also be Bluetooth, and transforms them into statistics that show the behavior of all the passengers all over the terminals, area per area, how many passengers are present, and for how long and who they are, meaning, are they departing, arriving, transferring, and so on. I guess you're going to ask, but how can you do that since not 100% of passengers have their Wi-Fi on, or maybe they even not carry a phone, or they may have two? And you're right, it's the whole point of the software suites to provide the number of actual people being in the terminal, inferred from the number of devices identified. How do we do that? The software has several patented algorithms that clean the data to keep only passenger and get rid of printers, for example, to label their behavior in departure, arrival, transfer, and to weight back to 100% of passenger. The data produced by these algorithms have always been validated by our clients as representative of real behaviors in their terminals.
So now let's answer the questions that we raised at the beginning.
One key concern of airports these days is about giving trust to passengers that they can come back to airports and travel safely. Security manager can wonder how they can enforce physical distancing all over the airports.
Yes, exactly. As Augustin de Romanet, Paris Airport CEO, said recently in an interview, the recent multiplication of controls creates very long queues at Roissy-Charles de Gaulle, even if the general traffic is no more than 15 to 20% to what it used to be. These queues could be responsible for COVID-19 clusters. The software suite monitors the live traffic, the live dwell time, and the live density in each area of the airport, so that when a density is or is about to be too high in the next 30 minutes somewhere in the airport, the security and the operating teams are alerted and they can take actions, such as voice messaging, distribution of hand sanitizer, or intensification of cleaning.
And duty terminal manager want to know how passengers are using their terminal. And among other questions, how long does it take to go from point A to point B?
So on one hand, the flows in the airport should be fluid enough for passengers to be on time at the gate and prevent departure delays. But on the other hand, it's the airport interest that passengers spend the largest amount of time in retails. By monitoring the dwell time in each area of the airport, the software is able to showcase the time needed to go from point A to point B, taking into account the existing and forecasted queues in processes. Sharing this information directly with the airport passengers through dynamic signage, or through the airport application, for example, optimizes the time spent in retail areas while limiting the departure delays due to no-shows. And now, how can the airline development teams assess the service quality of a specific airline? Because this is important for the teams to enforce the service level agreements, which are included in the airline contracts.
Yeah. Besides labeling passenger as departing, arriving, transferring, the algorithms associate every passenger journey with the flight they're on. By doing this, the software not only provides statistics per population, but also per flight, per destination, per airline. As you can see in this feature, the software details the time spent at each step of the way for passenger flying on Air Canada versus WestJet. So that the airport measures the time the airline takes to check in passengers, and then can also more accurately negotiate the value per passenger provided by each airline based on the time they spend in retail areas. The commercial team will also want to know if the retail offer is adapted to the needs of the airport passengers.
Yes, the first step to answer this question is to measure the effective behavior of each type of passengers. The feature you're seeing here provides the conversion funnel of each retail area of the airport. The traffic in the area and the number of transactions in the retail are data that the airport already possesses. But the clever thing is to enrich it with the shopfront traffic and the qualification of the audience of the retail area. Eventually, what you get to have is the understanding that in Paris airport, for example, passengers flying to the US rather spend time and money in Starbucks coffee than in Paul coffee shop. The airport can then make sure that passengers flying to the US come across a Starbucks during their journey in the airport. And how can the capacity planning teams anticipate the impact of a flight gate and time allocation on the passenger traffic inside the terminals?
Based on historical data, the software provides area per area, flight by flight, the passenger presentation. These short profiles and the flight schedule together provide areas per areas, the traffic that will appear until the end of the day. So in the top left corner, you may recognize an allocation planner. Each flight gate or time allocation change will feed the SmartFlow software. The software then displays the expected traffic in each area so that the duty terminal manager can anticipate the future flows and make sure that the best staff resources is planned.
Now, of course, you may ask, what is the accuracy of the solution? Yeah. Olivier.
The best way to measure the accuracy is to compare SmartFlow's traffic and dwell time data with data that the airport already trusts, such as exhaustive counting data at security, for example. Of course, our clients audit SmartFlow's data all along the contract length, and the correlation is systematically above 90%, which proves an excellent accuracy.
Now, how does a new client start working with SmartFlows?
We just need the flight schedule, the airport map, and the radio signals coming from the airport Wi-Fi infrastructure. For this last point, we use very basic features of existing airport Wi-Fi suppliers, such as Cisco, Aruba, Huawei, or Xeris, for example. With just this, the software suites can start providing real-time data, historical data, and forecasts. All of this is made available to our clients through APIs, Flatfile, SmartFlow's web application, and BI tools. The data made available can be enriched if the airport provides other data sources, such as sales receipt, people counting, passenger boarding information, and so on. And because the data provided by SmartFlow SaaS is made available to the airport in standard formats, it's easy to integrate it in the airport system, such as APOC, airport applications, internal BI systems, and so on.
So SmartFlow's software suite provides live and historical data, as well as passenger flow forecasts. SmartFlow's clients use the data to support the daily operational life in the terminals based on quantified real-time data, to forecast resources as it saves budget as much as it prevents crowds from happening. On the long term, the data supports planning for better design by adapting the distribution of flows across the terminals. It increases revenues by providing the best retail and services offer to each type of passengers, and it improves the passenger experience at the same time. And eventually sharing the information directly with passengers empowers them and gives them the best information to adapt their journey throughout the terminal.
To sum up, SmartFlows is a plug-and-play solution that has a proven track record of 10 years with strong reference among top-notch airports all over the world. Choosing SmartFlows, you access the monitoring of pass from curb to gate all over the airport. A ready-to-use web application that provides the needed pass flow information at the right time to various users among the organization, and immediately after simple and quick configuration. The solution is compliant with the strictest international privacy regulations, including GDPR. And the solution has its own 3-time patented location engine using trilateration methods that guarantee an excellent correlations to reality.
So to conclude, all airports already possess undervalued location data, whether it is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. It has a high value that already exists. All you need is the right tool to transform it into actionable passenger flow data. Basically, you have the power to transform the gold mine into gems. Thank you very much for your time, and feel free to reach out for further questions. Our emails are here and the phone number as well.